Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. Hi Aries fire sign. This is July mid-month reading. This is general, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonates and leave the rest. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Guys, this is general. If it is not resonate, don't force to fit in. So let's see what are the messages for you and what's going on. Aries. Another day, King of Pentacles, Ten of Wands, Four of Cups, and Four of Swords. I think there is a missed opportunity with your person. Maybe you walked away from this connection. Lots of you in no contact situation. You are healing, doing meditation, taking rest. Aries. Yes, you're feeling overburdened in this relationship. Maybe you only the person always taking care of this relationship. Maybe your person in and out of your life. Right now you're focusing on your career, King of Pentacles. Your total focus on your abundance. So let's see your reading. Recent past, Emperor, Knight of Pentacles, and Seven of Swords. Yes, this person is sneaky and they played games with you. Definitely this person is not trustworthy, Aries. Seven of Swords, very sneaky. Maybe third party involved in this connection. For some, maybe already a new person entered in your life. If not, they will. Maybe that person is very serious about you. But one thing is very good about past. You are taking your control back. You stand by your power. You are in Emperor energy. Then present Eight of Swords, Queen of Pentacles, and King of Cups. So still you are feeling stuck. Still sometimes you are thinking about your person. That is only temporary. Sometimes not all the time. And Queen of Pentacles, you total focus on your career, creating more money, creating opportunities and creating more money with multiple options. And King of Cups, definitely someone is approaching. I am saying you have a lot of options in love, but you are focused on your career, Aries. Then future Knight of Swords, Six of Pentacles, and the Devil. And this person is obsessed with you. Maybe you are also obsessed with them. And someone is rushing to communicate with you. Lot of options, lot of options. Maybe for some it only one person, but I'm seeing lot of options in love. But you are balancing your finances and your career. Especially in your relationship, there is no equal give and take. They ghosting you, they neglecting you, that type of situation. Yeah, most of you, this person is not trustworthy, guys, according to me. So the person involved in this connection could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, especially Capricorn. So Aries, let's see your person current feelings and their intentions. Then we will get more clarity what's going between you and your person. Hangman, Three of Pentacles, Four of Wands, and Four of Swords. I think you both are on the same page. Now they really want to work on this relationship. They are stuck on you. They are thinking about you a lot. Now they really want partnership with you. But for some it's too late. So let's see their current feelings and intentions. King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles. And Page of Wands and Ten of Wands and Ten of Swords. I think your person right now feeling overburdened. Maybe their emotions are running high. They want rebirth in this connection and they want to send some message or text to you. I think for some your person is a player in and out of your life. Maybe you both have age differences also. So let's see, they are at some crossroads, guys, because Two of Swords energy is here. They have to make some decision regarding this relationship. Yeah, because Seven of Swords energy, they always playing games with you. And King of Pentacles and Queen of Pentacles, maybe your person is very career oriented, and you also. You both are equal at every level, and you both are, I think, you both are equal, but Seven of Swords and the Devil, definitely for some this person is toxic for you. So let's see their intentions, then we will get clarity. Yeah, they always keep putting in waiting of it. Yeah, there is no commitment. There are some commitment issues going between you and your person. Right now they're missing you. There are some trust issues, but they want second chances with you. But this person may be not trustworthy, guys, and for some they have ego problem also. They keep putting you on waiting. You're fed up with that energy, and they're obsessed with you, and they are very dominative. Yes, so there are some ego crashes between you and your person, what I'm getting here. But again, they are putting in waiting mode regarding to the commitment. So it's up to you. But they are in rush to communicate with you. There is some communication is coming. But they are missing you. They want second chances. But there is no commitment here. Still there is waiting period. Waiting game is going between you and your person. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed on and the outcome. Yeah, Knight of Swords, Ten of Cups. They are in rush to talk with you, and they want reconciliation. But yeah, now maybe they're realizing your worth. They're spying you a lot. They keep putting tabs on you. They know they neglected you in past. They ghosted you in past. Now they really want to work on this relationship. But again, maybe for some still they're playing games with you. Still waiting game is going. Then it's up to you. But there is communication is coming. See, two cards. So Ten of Swords with Judgment. So I think you're very tight, Aries, with this person. Now you're going to make some major decision regarding this relationship. What to do? So you're guarded up. You're working on yourself, on your inner strength. Wow, very beautiful energy. Strength card. So let's see mutual. Maybe one person in this connection going through some legal issues. Yeah. Right now this connection is stuck. Maybe you both are spiritually awakening regarding this connection. For some you both are manifesting. Yeah, there will be success for some in this connection. For some it will take some time because right now you person keep putting in waiting mode and definitely you person stuck. But you are getting success for your hard work and manifesting each other. There is manifesting. Maybe one person is manifesting other person. So let's see some messages from your person and through the channel, Aries. Decision time, religious factors, options, age difference, holding back, your pure perfection. So the messages are decision time, religious factors, options, age difference, holding back, and your pure perfection. So let's see some messages from Moon Oracle deck for you, Aries. Meditate and contemplate new moon in Pisces energy. So you are doing a lot of work and you are going through a lot right now in your life. This is the message. Meditate and contemplate. Do meditation, then take any decision. And a time for healing, Blasphemic moon. So if you are going through a lot, again it is the time for healing. Do meditation to heal. completely yourself. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel and click the bell icon. Then you'll get all my video notifications. Thank you so much for watching and supporting me. Thank you.